15-minute time frame, extend it out in time. So we have two different things for a premium entry. Again, what's a premium? It's above equilibrium or above discount. All right, so if we look at the range between this low and this high, split that in the middle, you can see we're above midpoint with the mitigation and consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. Consequent encroachment is the midpoint of a gap. Okay, so right there's perfect little entry in there. I think it probably went like 1 pipette above. I know I'm not perfect. And then sells off. We have another order block in here. That's this big beefy candle. Why not this one, ICT? It went higher because it has a little tiny little body. I want the big beefy body candle. And I cut through candles, so there again, we're not supply and demand. So we have an order block with the bearish fair value gap, and that fair value gap is here to here. So it fills in that, and then it runs to what? The sell side liquidity, which is offset distribution. Offset distribution is where if you're short, you're going to be buying from willing sellers at a lower price. Why is there sell side liquidity down here? Because people are seeing this and they're looking at harmonic patterns, they're looking at Fibonacci's, they're looking at supply and demand, whatever they're looking at, whatever retail logic they're using, and it starts to go up, they're chasing it, and they're going to put their stop loss right below here because that's what the books tell them. And if they're buying long, what kind of stop is it going to be? A sell stop, which is what makes this a sell side liquidity pool. It's pooling a bunch of liquidity that is predominantly selling in nature, because if the market participants that are riding this up are long, they want to protect their long position by selling out. They don't want to ride anything lower than this, so they're willing to sell at a lower price when it's up here. So the market efficiency paradigm that I teach you is I'm selling up here when they're trying to buy it, and I'm trying to buy it back when they want to get out of their long under here. And that's why it's offset distribution. I'm doing the worst possible thing to a retail trader in this instance. I'm their worst enemy. I'm their nightmare. And you're learning to be that too. And don't have any moral conflict about that, because they understood the risks when they opened up their account. Period. We all have this understanding. You're going to lose money too, and you'll be a victim eventually. But I'm teaching you to be the predator, not the prey.